Folding phones don't need to be phones. And what I mean by that is these would be fantastic tablets. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 without the front screen, because that's another issue that I have with folding phones, is you don't need multiple screens. It seems like it seems inefficient, not a waste to me, but it's inefficient. If Samsung made a Z Fold 7 to where it didn't have the front screen, it was just front and back, and then you open it up to have that 8-inch screen, people would buy that all day. And I say that as somebody who worked in phone sales for years and was repetitively one of the top performers in the company, knowing what phones sold best to what people, the intricacies and ins and outs of phones and how they operate in the US market. I have years of experience with top level sales performance, and I studied people for those years that I was doing it. I paid attention to what people bought and why and what the reasons were. And let me just tell you, if you're Samsung and you want to sell a lot more tablets, even possibly taking the tablet crown back from Apple, because the iPads have the #1 seat and they have for a while, just make this, but not a cell phone. Take away the front screen, make it $1,500 less or $1,000 less. People will buy it like crazy. So many people would love to have one of these that they could just fold, put it in their purse or pocket, and then when they're wanting to use it, they can literally open it up, have an 8 or 10-inch screen, and use it for as long as they want, and it'll be great. Also, taking away the front screen would not only add to durability, but you would get even better battery life. So that's my hot take. I think Samsung should make folding tablets without the front cell phone screen, take out the cellular modem, give us like a Z Fold 7 without the front screen for like $600, $700, $800. People will pay that all day, no problem. Give it 1 or 2 decent cameras. Doesn't have to be the flagship ones, just decent versatile ones that will work good and take good pictures. People will absolutely buy those all day. And right now, Apple cannot compete with that. They have their iPads, but they have 0 folding phones and 0 folding tablets. And also, that's what I want to see personally. I would personally love to have just folding 8 and 10-inch tablets to where you could just bifold it or trifold it away into your pocket or throw it in your bag. And the footprint is so much smaller than a full-size tablet. I think there's a lot of people out there that would love having those. The cheaper price of it not having to be a phone and the extra outer screen would make it so much more appealing to a lot of people. Samsung would sell them like crazy if they would just make folding tablets. That's my hot take. Overall, I'm still really excited about the new Galaxy Z Trifold. Drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.